Nobody wants the truth. That includes all of us here. And be okay with that. Everybody lies. And the first lie we tell is to ourselves. And be okay with that too. So we don't need to go chasing for that truth or demanding it. Let them have their lies. Life is not fair. Now, it's never meant to be. It works better when it's not. So expect to have to work harder. Expect to be betrayed. And love anyway. It's not the decision you make that gets you into trouble. It's the decision before that. So this thing that you want to do, think 2, 3 decisions down the road and how could it go terribly wrong. The more certain someone is, like, I know this is a fact, the more certain they are, the more you can pretty much guarantee they're wrong. Question everything. Now the golden rule is also wrong. Do not treat others the way that you want to be treated. Treat others the way they need to be treated so that they learn how you want to be treated. And be willing to stop everything. The way I normally say it is, everything stops. So if there's a problem, see, life likes to keep on going. We've got all this open baggage from before. You've got an issue, stop right now. Fix it. Eating dinner, put the forks down. Driving, pull over and park. Be willing to stop everything.